Hello, Bainfotech is an award-winning Cisco partner with strong expertise across SD-WAN. Bainfotech leverages its BitPass platform to provide users and partners dozens of hands-on labs without the need for a real kit on-prem. Let's begin by giving you a quick overview of what you will learn about in the Cisco SD-WAN Cloud OnRamp AWS lab. Okay, so this is also an interesting use case. We already have cloud devices configured here. We already have cloud devices configured on AWS Cloud, just to show you. So you should have some device already configured with templates under the vManage, which you want to add to your cloud infrastructure. Otherwise, you will get this kind of warning. Templates would be required to be attached with vEdge cloud devices, which you would like to spin up with AWS. We will give you an idea how you can spin up devices on AWS Cloud from vManage. We can just go to the templates. Here we have created the templates which is required to configure basic information like system IP, site IP. Then go to the attached devices, where we have already attached two devices and have already given some basic information like system IP, interfaces. Once you attached the templates, this basic information is required to be attached to the devices. So click on this, click on attach. Once this is done, we need to go to Infrastructure as a Service tab so that we could spin up these devices on AWS Cloud. So in interest of time, we already have spun up the devices on AWS Cloud, and as we will bring up this device on AWS Cloud, it will show you in the vManage, and you can directly SSH from vManage. Let's see the steps that are involved to spin up the devices on AWS. The templates have already been attached, and now let's go click on Infrastructure as a Service. Click on Add Cloud Instance. So you do this for Amazon Web Services and Azure. Now you can click on AWS. Here you just need to put API keys. So I will just put the API keys. Here you can select the region where you want to spin up the devices in AWS. Okay, so let me select US West 2. Here you can set the VPC name. Version, size of vEdge, and check the Cisco recommendations for size. Now, here are the devices which we attached the templates to. select the SSH PEM key which you already created on AWS. Once you actually create it, you will see that Transit VPC is connected with the host VPC. Select the account. This test VPC 123 is already created on AWS. So we'll click on Next and then click on Map VPC. Click on Save and Complete. And this is actually the final step that would spin up the two devices on AWS. However, since we have already spun up two devices in AWS, so we are not going to click on Save and Complete. We will power on the existing vEdge instance on AWS and let's see. Yes, it's powering on. In vManage, we see these two devices. Here is the SSH terminal. We can log into the devices and see that all the configuration, whatever we have attached with the use of templates, will show here. I think it's a simple configuration you just need to take care of on vManage, and devices will be spun up on AWS. And now that you're familiar with what Cisco SD-WAN, Cloud OnRamp, AWS is, if you're interested in how BitPass can help you and your team learn about Cisco SD-WAN, Cloud OnRamp AWS, or one of the many SD-WAN labs within BitPass, please reach out to your Bay Infotech representative. Thank you.